Easton, no, no. No, no. He's not scared of strangers.
How long is this going to stay up, Mom? Oh, November until November.
You know what those girls in those big dresses are doing? Easton. Can we have the ball? Can we have it? Throw it. Throw it. Easton, let me see. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Get it out of your mouth. Yeah. Here. You ready? Back up. Thank you. Yeah, I'll put it back on there.